Tanisi, you want to make cake?
Yeah!
What cake? Chocolate cake?
Look at it.
Chocolate cake oda?
Look at it too.
Let's make chocolate cake. Yes?
Yes!
Okay, let's start. We first add some baking powder. Where is the baking powder? It's right here. I'm gonna add some. Then add some flour. We add some cocoa powder. Mix it. Then what is that? Yeah, you can add some salt. What is that? You can add some vanilla extract. You can add some sugar. Start mixing it. Mix it. Oh no more. Ooh. Da, you want to stir it? You want to mix it? Da, your turn. Mix it. Mix it. Mix it well. Okay, it's time to add some oil. Add some oil. And let's add some, what is this? Palu milk. And let's mix it again. Ooh. Let's mix it. Ooh, yum yum. Tanisi, add your chocolate. Pettu, in the bowl. More chocolate. It's okay. More. Wait, chocolate say, more chocolate say. Color chocolate say, yeah. All done? Okay. Now let's put this in the oven. Oven door open, Chi. Let's open your oven. Yeah. Bowl in the oven. Okay, ready? It's yum yum muffin. Chocolate muffin.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel, a penny for a spoon of bread, a
Yummy?
tuppence for a needle.
Like it?
That's the way the money
Wanda?
goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Bye, Chapu. Bye.